Hi guys, we're at Aldi's, and guess what? We're gonna go to Aldi and spend $5 on a Christmas meal. I see so many people do this challenge, and I want to put myself to this challenge. We're gonna go to Aldi. We're gonna spend $5, not one, not two, not three, but four. We're gonna do 4 people. A Christmas meal, $5 for 4 people. I never did this kind of challenge. I'm good at budgeting, but whew, this is gonna be hard. So let's get into Aldi's and see what can we do with this. Bye, see you in a minute. There go Aldi's, and let's get in here and see what we can do. I'm gonna feed a family of 4 for Christmas. Here go the quarter. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay. They have carrots, 75 cents a pound. Do we want some cabbage? Grapes look good. Strawberries for $4.27. Okay, this say $1.95. Okay. That's $3.46. Let's try to find our meat first. Bread. How much is they desserts? I can't squeeze no dessert in here. No. Doubt it. No dessert. Tomatoes, 79 cents a pound. Avocado, 59 cents a pound. $1.85 for bread. I wish they took my OTC card. I would get some stuff. Yeah, I remember they used to be $1. $1.95. Let's see. So applesauce ain't nothing $1. Maybe we can find something for $1. Some pudding. Nothing is $1. Jeez, no dollar don't go nowhere these days. Okay, it's like $2.89 a pound or something. How much is this? God, we're in trouble. It's not even say how much it is. Is it $2.89 a pack? We're in trouble. I don't think there's enough for 4 people. Let's see how many slices in there. So that's the whole $5 though. $4.79. This is $2.89. Like that. So I guess it's $2.89 a pack, I guess. They don't have the price. How many pieces in there? 3, 4. Oh, it's 5. I might can feed 5 people. This is Black Forest ham. What is this? Roast beef. Don't say how much the roast beef is. Oh my God. Okay, $2.89. Look like this is gonna be the cheapest. So we're gonna get ham or they have turkey. Oh, a turkey up there. Turkey. How many pieces in here? Can you really see? 2. We need at least what? 6. We need at least 6, 7 pieces. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, we need at least 8 pieces. I think this got 8. So we're gonna think about that. Maybe it's 8. Oh, this is like a lot here. Let's see. 2, 4. Yeah, this is 8 pieces right here. 8 or more. So we're gonna get that one. Put this one back. So that's like $3 already. I don't know, do they charge taxes here? Oh, I should know. I can get that. 7, 5. I don't even know why I'm over here. $2.70. That's what we have for Christmas. Ribs. So I gotta catch 2 more packs somewhere. Yeah, because it's like 8.04. 8, yeah. That's $1.39 a pound. Yeah, let's go get some stuffing. So far, we only got that, and that's like $3. I don't eat macaroni and cheese, so we can't do that. And that's 58 cents. So, yeah. I don't like macaroni and cheese. I barely like spaghetti. Turkey bread, that ain't $10.99 a pound for turkey breast. So that's out the question. Where's the stuffing? How many people do this feed? It's 99. I don't feed that many. people this feed? Let's say, well, right here, 7. 1 for a cup per serving. Usually it'll say how many people, but it don't say how many people it feed. Like, I don't like macaroni and cheese. I don't see no stuffing. How they don't have no stuffing? This is weird. Really weird. Ooh, 69. So it'll be about the same, because I know the Jiffy cornbread probably, I don't know. We're going to try this hot and honey stuffing. I don't know about that. Hot and honey. Lord. Hot and honey. That's the only honey they have, too. And it is 69 cents. But is it going to, how many peoples? How many people this going to feed? 69 cents. With the stuffing. What was that? $3. What's that? Yeah, $4 for that. I don't see no other. I don't see. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's see how much one of these cabbage gonna be. Okay, we have our cabbage, and it is 75 cents a pound. Let's go weigh this and see. That's about 1.5 pounds. Yeah, a little bit under the half. So that'd probably be about $1, because I think it was. Yeah, this is cheaper than the spinach. Okay. I'm gonna put the spinach back. I don't even see the yams. Look. Nope. 175. What about the little ones? They don't have it, so. And I know it's gonna take it over 175. Dang. Why they don't have a little can? Ugh. 175. My goodness. Well, the biscuits out the question. No biscuits. No donuts. Oh, there they go. Okay. 95. Jesus. That's carrots. Oh, this is, but it's a big can. I don't want no big can. I want a little can. Ugh. Get this big one. Hey, no, I can't get that. 195. Ice carrot. Sweet. 195. $2. I can't get that. We're in trouble. Have a cabbage. It's 75 cents a pound. We have some turkey breast. I think it was $2.89. And we have some hot honey stuffing. It was $69, I think. Okay, we're gonna make a cake. What kind of cake we should make? And we'll make our own frosting from scratch. We don't need no frosting. $2.29 cookies. Dang. Okay, guys. Woo. And it's $1.09. We need some dessert or something sweet since they don't have no yam. Okay, guys, this is it. My Christmas meal. We have a cake for dessert. We have some stuffing. We have some cabbage. And we have some ham. Turkey. Oven classic turkey breast. I gotta buy the bag. Okay, cabbage. Let's put it there. I never used this place. Oh, there we go. Cabbage. Okay, the cabbage was 92 cents. Stuffing mix. The stuffing mix was 69. So far, we have 161. And some dessert was 109. Yeah, it was 109. 270. Here go the big ticket, the meat. The meat is $2.89. I told her $5.59. We went 59 cents over. Okay, there go our Christmas dinner. What's some dessert? I got some dessert. Yay! Dessert. Wow. Okay, guys. Grand total $5.59. Oh, yeah. Not bad with dessert. Let's go home and cook this up. Okay, guys, let's put the cake on. We will be making a yellow cake. A Okay, preheat oven to 350. We need a cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 eggs. That's the directions. Okay, here go the 3 eggs. So I'm gonna have to use this. I don't know, can I cook with this? A cup of water and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, 1 cup of water. And then 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I hope this works, guys. I don't know. I don't have no vegetable oil. Let's see. Okay. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Oh my God. Hope that works. Okay, let's get all this stuff on the top. Mix it some more. And this is the spray we're gonna use. And we're gonna make a bundt cake. Don't say nothing about flour. So we're gonna do it without flour. Okay, let's put it in the pan. This is how it looks. We're gonna put it in the oven for 24 to 25 minutes. So we'll be back when it get done. Okay, this is what we'll be having for Christmas. Y'all see my video when I went to Aldi's and I got everything. Turkey breast. And our cabbage. So cut the cabbage. Put that on to cook. Okay, there's the cabbage. Just rinsed off real good. Put it in the pot. Okay, we're gonna put garlic powder. We're gonna put paprika, just a little bit. Salt. And then we're gonna put a little bit of crushed peppers, just a little bit. Then I have my peppers from my garden. Okay, then that's it. And we're gonna put it on to cook on medium, probably for about good 30 minutes. Hopefully this and the cake will be done at the same time. So see you in a minute. Okay, it's cooking down. Let it cook probably about another good 10-15 minutes. It will be done. Okay, now I will be cooking the oven classic turkey breast. Pour a little vegetable oil on the pan. Okay, this is the meat. pieces. We have those 4. Then we have 4 more pieces here. So that's enough for everybody to get 2 pieces. I'm gonna take these 4 pieces off so we can cook the other 4 pieces. Pieces. The first 4. Okay, now we're gonna make the stove stop. Say 1½ cup of water and 1/2 stick of butter. Bring it to a boil. I'll be back. This is my first time ever making this kind of stuffing. So, 1½ and then it say 1/2 stick of butter. We're gonna use this. That's probably 1/2 stick. And then it say let the butter melt. Remove from heat. Cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. And then fluff it with a fork. Okay, remove from heat. Okay, stir in this. So we're going to stir in the pack. Okay. Stir in. Okay, remove from, turn the heat off. Stir it up. That's how it looks. Okay, that's how it looks. Just say cover for 5 minutes and we shall be back. Okay guys, here go everything. That's the stuffing. That's my cake. That's my ham. That's the ham. That's the turkey. And here's my greens. Okay, we're gonna see, can we get 4 plates out of this? See, can we get 4 plates out of this? Hopefully, we will be able to get 4 plates and a piece of cake. My Christmas dinner on a $5 budget. I think it was like $5 and some change. Let's see, did it work? Let's make the plates. Okay guys, I was able to get 4 plates out of it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did it. My $5 Aldi's Christmas dinner for $5. I think it was like $5.59 or something like that. And the cake is over there. I got some dessert out of it. Let me show you the cake. Okay, guys, here go the cake. We don't usually eat frosting on my cake, so it's okay about the frosting. Here go the cake, $5 Aldi meal. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.